Subscribe, like, and comment. Tell us if you think extreme isolation should ever be legal. In the late 1990s, America's most dangerous prisoners were disappearing into places the public never saw: windowless cells, 23 hours a day alone, almost no human contact. At ADX Florence in Colorado, often called the Alcatraz of the Rockies, isolation wasn't a punishment. It was policy. But one case changed everything. In Wilkinson v. Austin 2005, the U.S. Supreme Court was forced to answer a chilling question. Can the government legally keep inmates in extreme solitary confinement for years without violating the Constitution? The case didn't begin at ADX, but its impact reached every supermax prison in America. Inmates argued that indefinite isolation caused severe psychological damage, hallucinations, anxiety, and mental breakdowns. They claimed they were sent to supermax conditions without meaningful explanation, hearings, or a real chance to challenge the decision. The government pushed back hard. Prosecutors said supermax isolation was necessary to control prisoners who were too dangerous to house anywhere else: terrorists, gang leaders, and inmates who had killed behind bars. Without isolation, they argued, prisons would descend into chaos. The Supreme Court made a historic ruling. Instead, it ruled that extreme solitary confinement is constitutional as long as prisons follow strict due process rules, written notice, clear reasons, and periodic reviews. That decision quietly legalized long-term isolation nationwide. ADX Florence didn't just survive the ruling, it became the model. Today, that case still defines how supermax prisons operate, where silence is enforced, movement is measured in steps, and isolation is backed by law. A single ruling didn't end the debate. It locked it in. Subscribe, like, and comment. Do you think isolation protects society or destroys it from the inside?